Let's play Redactle for Saturday, August 6th. We have a two-word article, 12:8, and then in some area of knowledge, 12:8 is A8 of 847, the 5 at 510.6. It is 3 of the 311.9 of 8, the 5588, the 5 of the 4 beneath a blank. Well, I would guess it is one of the, so it is one of the, maybe the two, yeah, okay, one of the two fundamental. No, we do have fundamental down below. One of the two something of 8. I'm guessing then the 5 is the other being. Yes, 8. And then dash the 5 of the 4 beneath a 5. Okay. Then we go the 7 of 5 and 1283. I'm guessing the 3 might be has. No. The 10 of a 8. 7 blank. Okay. Yeah, I'm not getting anything else here. The 10 at a 5 is the, okay. It's not a very long article, going by the size of the scroll bar on the right. Here's a good paragraph. At least we have the word fundamental. Otherwise, not a lot to go on. I don't know, is one of those 7s largest? No largest. 15 has 12, blah, 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 blah. The something of the something of a something with something to something is the something of the something, and the 10 of the 8. This feels like a Marx Brothers routine. The 10 of the 8 of a 4 with 7. Uh-oh, I see something I don't like coming up ahead. 5 to the 6. 1 equals some character in italics A. So that makes me think we're dealing with something scientific. Is it physics or mathematics? Well, that's an S, so let's grab that. With something's 6, 3. Oh, I wonder if that's Newton's second law of something. Well, maybe somebody's law. Yes. Is it second? And is it Newton? What are his laws of, oh my goodness, matter? No, law of energy? No, what are his laws? Oh my goodness, I should know. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction, right? What do you call those laws? The 8-4 of a 8-8 is a 10. Is it mass? No mass. We have some more fundamental. Is it in something physics? We do have a lot of physics. In physics, the 10 of the 12 of a 6-4. Well, how about atom? No. with 7 to 4 is the opposite. No. What happened there when I typed opposite? Oh, is opposite not redacted? That doesn't make sense to me. I mean, that's a fairly, I mean, it's not a basic word. Anyway, so is the three-letter was? No. Had? No. And something fundamental in. Oh my goodness. 10. The 10 of, oh, this looks very corrupted here. The 10 of at the 5 is the blank of the blank to blank. So it looks like there's something, maybe there's some special characters in here, Greek letters or something. In 5 to 4 and 9 for 4, 1 4, I think something B, could be, would be, WOOD, 1 4, 1 must, something be 8 with 7, the 5 of a 6, 8, 7 and the 4, and then again we have an extra blank there. The 5 of an 8 is 3, 9, is not. No. Now. No. It can be 5 by 7, 3, 2, 6, and 8. The 6 in, again, we're getting missing words or characters or symbols. The 6 in something by the 6 in 7, 4, and 4 comma, the 5 of has a 5 of, must be as shown in the diagram below. For 7, again, more missing words. Let's try charge. No. Oh, something in. The 5 of a 6, 8 is 8. Positive. 6 positives. Let's look at our positives. Well, is it positive X? Yes. Of the 5, 2-X, 6, 4, X equals, again, we have something A divided by something. Okay, well, let's try formula. One formula, let's try Y, 8 Ys. Is the 5-letter word the terms? No, there is one terms. Equation. Okay, oh, the equation 2 equals X plus something has 7, 1 positive 8. When? No, okay, well, we do have when. Do we have C, speed of light? Okay. Well, I wonder if it's if E squared comes into it. Let's try 2. There were 5 2s. Let's try E. There's just one E, which must be IE, but there are 3 I's. Regarding 6's 9, Newton 4-5 in a, well, did he write in a letter? I had the 4 of 4, 6. I had the idea. No, I had the something of 6 of 8 from 6's 3 of 7, 8. And by 8 it to 8, 9. Applying it to, well, let's look for gravity, which has 7 letters. No gravity. Momentum, one momentum, uno momentum. The 10 of the momentum of a 4 with 7 to 4, blah, blah, blah. Oh my goodness. And what is Newton's second law of, goodness, I should know that. Anyway, moving on. Now let's look at some of the other words. So we did match on physics. In physics to something physics. Okay. So there's a whole subsection of physics. 8 is of prime. Oh, why did it scroll like that? Now is of something importance, is of great. No, is of something importance in physics. 4, 8. Let's write that. This, such, most, more. Yay. Not hitting that 4-letter word, whatever it might be. Physics is something. Oh, is it concerned with? Principally, no, is something concerned with the 3, 10, 6, and 7 over, is it over time? And the 7 of the time 10, the 4 of 6 over time is something for the 7, 10 of 7, 9, 8. In 10, the time something of an 6's 8, 3, 11 in molecular, no moleculars in something physics. Applied, one applied. In physics, the 10, blah, blah, blah. The 5 applied to the 4. I did atom, there were no atoms. Well, let's try atoms plural. No. Electron. No. Oh, is it law of motion? There we go. That's the only occurrence of motion. The 8-4 of a 8-8 is a 10 in 10-8. Let me go back up to the top and just see. So we don't have physics mentioned in the first paragraph. 11. Mathematics? I did think it might be mathematics. Let's see. Yes. 12-8 is a 8 of 8. That 7 the 5. I'm thinking of something like divides the plane. No, let's try plane. 2 planes. It is one of the two. I did fundamental. It is one of the two. Something of science. No, that's only 7 of 8. The other being 8-8. The 5 of the 4 beneath a. I'm only thinking of, beneath the line in a division. Let's try divide, division. No, let's try power, 1 power. This is known as the power something, as 10, comma, some more missing things, I think, comma 10, 9, comma, then nothing. This 5 can be 11 to show, so it can be expanded or extrapolated. Let's try extrapolated just for grins. No. To show that if and 3, 9. If and. I think we're missing some words there. This is known as the power station, the power unit. No, the power something. And then we have another weird sentence for 7, comma, period. And then a 7, is that however, our good friend, yes? However, 4 other 9 should be, well, as 6 as 10, 9. My goodness. To have, no. To hold, to have and to hold. No. Well, we do have, we have 4, 9 in 8-8. The 10 of a 8-7, that the 5 of the 7-4 now has a, oh my goodness. The above 10 is known as 15 from 5-10. 4 is a 5. My goodness. That the something of is. All right, here we have the x's and the y's. Was G going to be in there for gravity? No, well, let's try gravity. Oh, did I already do gravity? Yes, I did. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so maybe we have the history here. The something of a something in the 5 of a 7, 4 is a 4, 3 is a very old one. The concept of a 10 in the 5 in the orbit. Oh, we do have an orbit there. Orbit of the 4 of the moon. Aha, one moon. 8 to 5, 9. So maybe someone BC. Have a Euclid. Yes. 10. Pythagoras. No Pythagoras, assuming I'm spelled that correctly. Circa this BC. And somebody of somewhere. Was somebody the first? Not something, because Newton was the first. Newton and somebody in the history of 15 was the first to apply something to something physics. Oh my goodness. Since the since the something century. Okay. 17th. Oh, that's nice. I'm just thinking from Newton's time, wasn't he in the 17th century? For many mathematicians, is that 14 letters? Yes. Have 11 to, excuse me, the 6 of 15. What have they done? They've gone to the Festival of Glastonbury, no, in the 18th century, maybe? My typing fingers, in the 19th century. 8 was set, maybe? Was put on a much more 8, 7. Not algebra, but let's put in algebra. One algebra. 11, 3, 10, 4 to 4, the 6 and 6 of a 8. 9, 9, 11. How about did? No. And 3 fundamental in 10, 7, 9. In many, not areas of mathematics, branches such as all of these areas. What are they? Do we have point? Oh, at the point, the something of, and then at the point is the 5 of the 7, 2. In 5 to 4 and 9 for this. one must first be baptized with lineament, unguent, the 5 of a 6 equation, 7 in the 4. The something of an equation is 3, 9. Oh my goodness. I think I did shown, right? Yeah, it can be shown. It can be 5 by 7, 3, 2, 6, and 8. These 6, well, let's try numbers, numeral, numerator. Now, let's look at our numbers. Is a prime number? No, is a not even, because it would be an, is a, oh, let's try whole number. No. If x and y are, okay, unknown. No, if x and y are integers, no, it's too many letters. Integer are 7 for the 4, 6, 13 to the 5 of, oh my goodness. And then we have this lovely bit of Greek, which is 7, 7. Is it written? No, is something, something. 13 of blank in 310 at 4 is called the 510. Let's try denominator. No denominators. The concept of a 10 in the 5 is a very old one. Is it early? No, we do have as early as 3, 2. So is that CE or AD? Okay. Yeah, it's a little inconsistent. Sometimes the articles will say CE and sometimes AD. The 3 of 14 to 5, 5 of 6 can be 5 in 6 mathematics, can be found in something mathematics, something as early as some year, 3-digit year, when the 10 and 13, 9 not to guess, to project, to the 3 of 14 to 7, 5 of 6 was 913 by some dude, 4-4, his years of living. 6, it has 4, it has been something that many of the 3, 7 of 12, 8 can be found in 3, 4, such as 5's 7 can be found in something text. No, it can be found in Oh my goodness. The 13, 6, 2-3, 2-4. Oh, I wonder if it's somebody Al something or other. Yes. Um, so some Arabic mathematician in his 8 on 9, 11, 10 for 4, 5, 9, to have 9. He observed, now for 7, for example, that the something solution, no, that's 8 letters, one solution, oh, there we go, one positive solution. When C equals blank A divided by 2 characters, oh, and 2 positive solutions, whenever, wherever, poor old Shakira facing jail time. Anyway, that's not why we're here. What something is less than C is less than some quantity of A divided by something. The 9 of science, the evolution, no, the something of science 6 has something that Al thing must have something the 10 of the 5 to 6 this 6. 6 is 10 has been 9 by other 8, however. He could have 8 the 6 by other methods, which do not require the something of the 8 to be known. Okay, who is this Arabic mathematician? I did algebra. I should have done calculus. Okay, so yeah, I was thinking we might be something to do with calculus here in his work, such as 5's 7. Oh, differential. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, when I put in calculus, I didn't realize I got the second word in the title, and then differential. So here we go. Subfield of calculus that studies the rates at which quantities change. Oh, okay, that makes sense with motion. The other being integral calculus. Okay. Calculus was always my least favorite part of mathematics in school. The famous F equals ma, derivative. Yeah, here's this sentence. We can see it still looks messed up once everything is revealed. Okay, so it must be the Greek letter delta is not being shown. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff here. Oh, here is the mathematician Sharaf al-Din al-Tusi, Treatise on Equations. Okay. Leibniz, so I should have thought of him. Pascal. And Boole, is Boole mentioned anywhere, I wonder? Anyway, that's Taylor. Never heard of Taylor. Anyway, took me 135 guesses. Somebody went earlier and got it in two. I wonder if maybe that was just somebody checking the page and they solved it somewhere else, but it's possible somebody looked at that title, saw the mathematical symbols later on, and came up with that. Yeah, I'd love to be able to do that approach. A, I'm not sure I could. I don't think I'm that smart. And B, I enjoy searching around and finding particular words within the context of a sentence. Let me know what you think. Should I try to just meditate on the title of an article, look at the unredacted words first, spend some time doing that, and then try and get one of these ridiculous solves? Or do you use this approach that I do of just trying to fill in words until it becomes clear what the subject is? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks as always for watching, and have a great weekend.